Here's one. It's a rock bass. Pretty little rock bass. I'm telling y'all, these little trout magnet soft plastics, throw it on a 1/64 ounce jig head. This is a 1/32 ounce jig head. Anything big enough to eat it in a creek will get it in their mouth. This is a beautiful little rock bass right here. Just a lot of fun. Another one. It's a green sunfish. Small one, really pretty though. Really pretty fish. Just look at the colors on that thing. So pretty. Such a pretty little fish. We'll let him down. Another one. Something little, but it's a fish. What is it? It's another little green sunfish. These 3 fish here have all been out of the same hole on the same lure. Look at that, another pretty green sunfish. Beautiful fish. I wonder if there's one in this little hole right here that I can catch. We shall see. I'm gonna stay back a little bit and make a little cast in there. I had a tiny one, but it was absolutely tiny. Got one. Watched him eat it. Rock bass. That was pretty cool, and that's a little bit better sized one for this little creek. Look at that fish, y'all. Just how pretty it is. I saw him sitting there, put my lure right in his face, and he just absolutely annihilated it. Pretty eyes, just the coloring. Beautiful fish. So like this right here, this is just a lot of it's a lot of shallow water. Like this would be perfect if you're trying to fly fish for some panfish, little itty bitty ones. But like for me, I'm gonna just wade for this water, skip it basically as quick as I can to get to these deeper holes down here. I might put like 1 or 2 casts in here just cuz. Got one. No. See, like I said, it's a little. I said, you know, if you're fly fishing to catch the tiny ones, this is a little green sunfish. It's a really pretty fish, but I would like to catch some a little bigger. Still a pretty fish. Got something. Came off. It was a green sunfish. Y'all saw it. Had another little fish. Probably was a little shiner. Yeah, I can see a school of 100 little freaking shiners just chasing it. There's a little sunfish. Came off. It's right sitting right there. I see him. He ate it again. That's awesome. That's a pretty one. He's got a real yellow belly. There you go, y'all. That might be a hybrid. I don't know too well. He's got red eyes, a real yellow belly. Pretty fish out of the way. Came off. All right, y'all. Well, I'm gonna start working my way back down the creek. I'm still using the same lure I started with. I haven't even changed lures, you know, this whole time. Just this little jig. And so yeah, I'm gonna start working my way back down the creek, and I'll catch y'all in a second. There's a little one. It's a green sunfish. I saw him, put it in his face, and he ate it. There you go, y'all. These fish are very aggressive for their size. They get really pretty in these creeks. The blue on it and everything. Just look at that fish. It's really pretty. Here, I'm gonna see if I can get an underwater release with this GoPro. Just look at how beautiful that fish is. It's kind of weird. Usually the fish here are just absolutely biting. Like, they're so aggressive. I think I've convinced one to bite. Well, that wasn't the best. I'm gonna go down here to the culvert and see if I can get some there. All right. This spot, I really like this spot. I usually can catch a good bit at this spot. Come on. Do one more cast. I got one. Hey, I said one more cast and I got one. Oh, that's such a pretty fish. He's just hooked by nothing too. That's a beautiful fish, y'all. GoPro's coming off the head for this one. I'm gonna get a little underwater release. Look at how beautiful that fish is, y'all. Alright, y'all. So this lure right here is all I used in this whole video. I didn't change the lures one time. This is the exact same one. It's a little 1-inch trout magnet on a, I do believe, I don't remember the brand jig head, 1/32 ounce jig head. The colors are matching gold-ish. Doesn't really matter the colors too much. Like I said, same lure, haven't changed it once. It's really hot out here. About 92, 95 degrees, depends. But just chucking it up in these up into these trees, you know, in the shade, this lure will catch fish. Let it sink, jig it, you know, pop it, slowly retrieve it. It will catch fish. So go try it out for yourself. And yeah, find those deep holes, those shady deep holes, and just chuck it in there. Fish it slow, you will catch a lot of fish. It's a lot of fun. So please hit that subscribe button, y'all. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.